A vulture is a bird of prey that scavenger on carrion. There are 23 extinct species of vulture including condor. Worldwide vulture includes 60 living species native to Europe, Africa and Asia. Now-wild vulture are restricted to North and South Africa and consist to 7 identified species, all belonging to the Cathirotti family. Vultures are very less accepting, offering to snatch and each other, accepting and wait for a long time. They leaves its fruits most of the time. Rot fruit is any animal in a very short time. A crow hovers around an eagle nest. When the eagle moves to attack the crow comes and attacks the baby eagle. Crows usually group together to try to counter any attack, and even fearsome birds like eagle mostly avoid them. Crows are mostly stealing other prey, even after predatory animals like eagle for food. In the dark of the night, suddenly an owl bounces on the camera. An owl is trying to attack a fox. Even after the fox tries to escape from the attack many times, the owl continues to attack.